folks, welcome to the channel Rockin' the Country. I'm Don. I react to non-pop country and even rockabilly, and I do courtesy of Dwight Yoakam, courtesy of Mooberry. I do a fair amount of rockabilly Dwight style. I don't know if that's what this is. This is Cattle Call. It's a gift from Mooberry. So Renee, thank you for this gift and request. And I had done the one Cattle Call that Leanne Rimes and Eddie Arnold had duetted on, courtesy of Reneeged, Mooberry. But now it's Dwight's turn. So let me get my headphones on, and let's see what Dwight does with Cattle Call. I know this is going to be good, all right, because Renee is Dwight's worldwide #1 fan. So those of you out there who are huge fans of Dwight's, you can bow in honor. Accordion going there.
The cattle are prowling, the coyotes are howling way out where the doggies bawl. Spurs are jingling, a cowboy is singing this lonesome cattle call.
Love that one. How do they make that sound?
Rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall. Do, 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 singing his cattle call. For hours he'd ride on the range far and wide, as the night winds blew up a squall. His heart was a feather in all kinds of weather as he sang his cattle call.
So pretty. I hope you can hear this with headphones on, people. That's right here.
As brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Do, 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 singing his cattle call.
So I wonder when Dwight sang this song, did he just ad lib how he was going to do it, or when anybody like yodels and hums, whatever this style is called here, if it's like words where you practice ahead of time and you have the words that you're going to say and which ones you're going to stay, notes you're going to stay on, how you're going to end a sentence. Is it going to be abrupt, or are you going to carry the note? Are you going to go high, or are you going to sort of keep it in the pocket? And I wonder if you do the same thing. You treat yodels and the sounds you're going to make the same way you would articulated words. It's kind of got to match the instrumentation, but not totally. I think there's a lot of artistic license, if you will, latitude to do what you want, as long as it kind of works and it's not over the top or under the bottom. I don't know how much on the mixing end of things, they sort of attenuate the volume, and you can lengthen, you can change the pitch a little bit and all that, but it's fascinating. And I hope if you guys can listen to this with headphones on, absolutely fascinating though. It really does have like this, it's more than a reverb effect, but you feel it in your cranial cavity, like the whole part of you feel it. And then on the left side, at least the way I was wearing my headphones, I mean, if I flipped them, it'd be the opposite, but there was like this little high pitch coming down. So Renee, yeah, really good, man. I enjoyed that. That's art right there. That to me is art. I mean, the content of the song, Out on the Prairie and all this stuff, and I get this was made for the movie The Horse Whisperer, but still, that's a work of art. Whatever it was made for, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be articulating words to be interesting. It's just that simple. I mean, lots of folks are into opera and don't know what the Italian is, and opera's sung in Italian. Don't even know what it means, but it's like, oh, is that awesome? So, and scat singing is another one where you don't know what they're saying. They're not saying anything, and yet it's just a blast. And I love Dwight's voice. You can't not. Whether it was yodeling or singing, it's just eminently listenable. Or just doing like woo doop doo doo, like whatever. It's like, how's that so listenable? It's just enjoyable. So I'm gonna rate this one, and it seemed really simple. And in some ways it was, and maybe it was made to be like a background track for a scene in the movie. I don't know. I don't know if I saw the movie. I'll have to ask my girlfriend Sean if she's seen it. She's probably seen it, but we'll have to watch it together. But she's from Kentucky, so you can imagine she's seen this movie. And the number that popped into my head was a 9.2. I mean, it was on the creative effort and the listenability, and it was pleasant. It just made me feel good, kind of like a Grateful Dead song does, but in a different way. But the Grateful Dead always makes me feel good when they sing. So, and Dwight does too. So there you go. All right, guys, you can thank Reneeged Mooberry for that one. We're going to have to start spelling your name Reneegade. No, we could do it that way, Reneegade, but Renegad. Just take an E off and just run right into Renegade and just get it over with. Anyway. We'll see what you think about all that stuff. So far, you're on board with it. All right, guys, have a great day. See you in another video. Keep rocking the country.